My name is Mohammad Hassan Ali. On June 8th, I have undergone surgery done by Dr. John Trichos, AHRS. This is my hair growth after 7.5 months. Really unbelievable change has come in my face, in my hair. Happy to share. I thanks Dr. John sir and his team, especially Dr. John. Dr. John Garu. Thank you very much, sir. And I am referring all persons, those who don't have hair from my side, because which I can help to those people who doesn't know a good doctor, so that I can refer a good doctor so that they can, good service and good hair.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. It is my pleasure and opportunity given by God to serve.